Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have fox, sun, and heart. So, Sagittarius, in your situation, guys, there is someone who is not to be trusted. So, this person has some hidden motives. They pose as your friend or a family member, but they have some weird ideas and they want to benefit themselves using your skills and talents. So that is the reason they are here with you, guys. So you need to be really careful, Sagittarius. And I also see that you are going to get some passionate new beginning. So it may be in your love life, guys. You are going to find someone interesting, and you may what to say, you may share a great bond with this person. So all your dreams or all your what to say, whatever fantasies you had about your person, all that is going to come true with this person you are going to meet today, guys, Sagittarius. And or it may be something in your career situation, guys. You are going to see or you are going to get some offers or opportunities, something which you are really passionate about. So it is using your skills and talents, and it is something which you love to do, and you are getting a new beginning in that. It may be some creative venture, guys, for your Sagittarius. And I also see that maybe you are seeing some troubles or some bad situation in your career or personal life, but all that is going to resolve, guys. Things are going to fall in place for you, guys. So whatever difficulties it may be, you are going to see that it is going to resolve, and everything is what is it, going in a very positive way here, because this card here, it's a very positive card here, guys. So whatever negatives you are facing in your life today, all that is going to resolve for you, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It is child. So with this card, guys, maybe you are planning to have a child, start a family with this person, or you are having a child, celebrating this happiness, or maybe for some of you, you are maybe finding a new person, a new beginning in your love life. Or if you are already in a relationship, things are spicing up between you both in this connection, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is the Tower. So there are huge changes happening in your career situation, guys. Things are changing, maybe some drastic changes. Whatever was there till now, all that is leaving you, and new options or new opportunities are coming in place of that. Maybe you are feeling stressed or sad, but you need to understand that these changes are necessary in your life, guys, to take you to a greater success or have that greater potential in your situation today, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading, guys, that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, today we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals. So you can think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card here. This is your first card, second card, and third card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card here. We will keep these cards aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card and this crystal, let's see what it is. We have round and round. So this card just means that in our situation, the spiral quality of events, when something is not being integrated in our life, guys, maybe through our experience, the lessons, what we are supposed to learn, when we do not learn that, we go through that pattern again and again, guys. And this card is a reminder of that. Maybe you feel that in your circumstance today, how you are back here again, maybe in the same kind of situation. Maybe you would have had a similar experience before in your past. So you need not be surprised because you are finding yourself with the same kind of circumstance, with a same type of person, maybe. But you need to understand that in your situation today, what is happening is that universe is trying to guide you or bring that evolution in you, guys, bring that changes in you. That is the reason for things going in a particular way. So maybe you should learn your lessons, what you should not do. You should not do it now. Maybe what you did before, maybe some responses or the way you behaved, you should not repeat that now, guys. So that is what this card means. Maybe today you should handle your situation from a different perspective and respond in a different way. That way you will be able to break this cycle. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's keep this card aside. For those who have chosen the second card, guys, sorry guys, this is your second card and second crystal. This is the crystal for y'all and this is the card. So for those who have chosen this crystal, it is Archangel Uriel. So this angel, it guides us to have that clarity, have our own wisdom in any situation, guys. And this guidance is subtle and gentle but very powerful. So maybe we are trying to find solution in some areas. We feel that we are stuck, some kind of confusions or doubts are there, but the answers you seek are right within you. So this guidance, this card comes with the guidance that you will get your answers from within, maybe through some messages, or you may see certain signs in your situation. Something is going to help you out today, something that is going to maybe you may find your answers within yourself, maybe through your intuition or some signs or something in your situation. So that way you will get clarity, guys. So maybe some confusions are there and it is all going to clear out. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this crystal and this card, the second card. So let's see what is the third card, guys. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Seraphos green quartz. So that is the card here. It's a crystal spirit card. So sometimes we are just what to say, forcing ourselves towards something we desire. We are working hard, making efforts, but today we have come to an acceptance that what is not supposed to come will never come towards us, or what is not supposed to change will never change, at least not for this moment. So you have your clarity today, and honestly, you know what you can change and what you cannot change in this relationship. So that way you have a clear idea, guys. So you will be able to work with that other person, co-create your dreams and goals, what you desire and what you deserve. So you need to be present, be here this moment in your life today. Maybe if you are sad, you can cry. It's not going to what to say, change anything, guys. But you should not forget that universe is your friend and it is guiding you in a particular way, and you are going to feel so much love and so much happy, and you need not worry that this is the end of things. Maybe certain things are not going up to expectation, but you need not worry. Things will change for the better, and there are good things waiting for you, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.